So the West Indies just got clobbered again, 3-0 this time in their T20 series against India. Defeat number 17 in their last 21 T20 internationals. We are now ranked at number 9 in T20, number 9 in ODIs, and 8 out of 10 in Test cricket. Every team ranked below the West Indies across the three formats is an established minnow. Now in all of this, where is the slick talking politician turned cricket West Indies president, Mr. Ricky Skerritt? Where him there? Him can't talk. Mr. Skerritt, you have 2 teeth. If Dave Cameron was still in charge, him ears couldn't eat grass. We would have heard how him arrogant and him don't know if he talk to people and way and there. Well, Ricky Skerritt is a nice, charismatic, manageable fellow who knows how to talk to people and who promised better for West Indies cricket. But all we're getting is worse. This thing about bringing back the old guard was foolishness. We cannot build for the future with the old. This is not moving forward, that is moving backward. But you know, I'm telling you that the cricket board is not the problem with West Indies cricket. The problems are deeper and much more fundamental than that. And that removing Dave Cameron won't solve the problem. Well, to all the Jamaicans in that process of removing Dave Cameron, I hope you enjoy the rice and peas. You enjoy the rice and peas. Want to sell out the Jamaican bar? Yes, enjoy the rice and peas. Enjoy the rice. Enjoy the rice and peas. With a belly full, enjoy the rice.